In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to repair Ray-Ban Wayfarer arms. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of glasses from Ray-Ban or any other one, and you would like to replace the arms, also called temples, then it is going to depend on how severe the damage is. So, if you broke the actual arms or temple like this, it is going to depend on how much of the hinge remains. If the hinge is still attached, then it isn't going to be too bad of a repair because all that you would have to do in this case is reattach it and add a new screw to hold the arm to the hinge, and theoretically it would be fixed. Now, if the whole hinge was damaged, then this is going to be much more difficult because essentially you would have to acquire a new one in order to hold the arms of the temple in place. Now, in other cases, if all you have to do is secure the screw, then it's as simple as grabbing the appropriate tool and making sure that it is very tight and secure according to your preferences. Don't over tighten it, and as long as you don't have a loose screw connecting the arm to the frame, you will be good to go. Make sure to use the small precision screwdriver often found in eyeglasses repair kits and simply tighten the screw carefully. Like I said before, do not over tighten. Now, if you have a different model and you don't have screws available in your specific one, so they aren't held together by screws, if the arm is slightly bent, you might be able to gently bend it back into shape. But for the standard, most common Wayfarer models like this, you will have screws located at the corners here, where the arms connect to the frame. And in that case, it's as simple as screwing them together. If the damage is too severe, the best course of action would be to contact the customer support and talk to the after-sales team to see if warranty or repairs will cover this. I hope I was able to help you on how to repair Ray-Ban Wayfarer arms. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.